Lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is a production process based on an ideology of maximizing productivity while simultaneously minimizing waste. The lean principle sees waste as anything that doesn't add value that the customers are willing to pay for. Womack and Jones defined lean as a way to do more and more with less and less human effort, less equipment, less time, and less space, while coming closer and closer to providing customers exactly what they want. Benefits of lean manufacturing: reduced lead times, reduced operating costs, improved product quality. How does lean manufacturing work? The core principle in implementing lean manufacturing is to eliminate waste to continually improve a process. By reducing waste to deliver process improvements, lean manufacturing sustainably delivers value to the customer. Types of waste: processes and activities, products and services that require time, money and skills. Underused talent, excess inventories, ineffective or wasteful processes and procedures. Key benefits of lean manufacturing: eliminate waste. Waste is a negative factor for cost, deadlines and resources. It provides no value to products or services. Improve quality. Improved quality allows companies to stay competitive and meet the changing needs and wants of customers. Designing processes to meet these expectations and desires keep you ahead of the competition, keeping quality improvement at the forefront. Reducing costs. Overproduction or having more material than is required creates storage costs, which can be reduced through better processes and materials management. Reducing time. Wasting time with inefficient working practices is a waste of money too. While more efficient practices create shorter lead times and allow for goods and services to be delivered faster.